Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello dear friends, how are you? So today I am here to teach you very good topic, which is daily routine vocabulary. So basically daily routine is what you do all the day. The chores you performed and the things that you do is called the routine. The first is wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Like you wake up, and then washing face. After waking up, you washed your face. Before moving to the next topic, please subscribe the channel and like the video and ask anything in the comment. Thank you so much. After washing face, here you are taking shower. What is this? This is called taking shower. Or some people may call it taking bath, but taking shower is more appropriate. The next is brushing teeth. After taking shower, you brush your teeth, or before taking shower, you brush your teeth. This is the really basic part of your morning routine. So this is brushing teeth. The next is get dressed. So you woke up, you washed your face, you took shower, you brushed your teeth, and after all this process, you get dressed. See? Getting dressed. The next is combing hair, or you may call it brushing hair. Brushing hair, or you can say combing hair. After doing this process, you are going to do your hair. Do your hair means to make any style. It could be like a ponytail, it could be like straight hair, it could be like wavy hair. So all the hairstyles that you do is called hairdo. The very next is making bed. So this is a process that you usually do when you woke up. You make your bed. See? So making bed मतलब अपने bed को बनाओ, सवारो, ठीक करो. That's called making bed. Next is put on makeup, or putting makeup on. This is the process you usually do after taking shower or after doing your hair. You do put on makeup on your face. See? So this is putting on makeup. After doing all these chores, you are going to have breakfast. This is called have breakfast or having breakfast. Some people call it brekkie. See? So this is another word for breakfast, brekkie. Just so you know. After that, you go to school. Go to school. If you are a student, you go to school, university, college, high school, anything it could be. Drive to office. If you are a person, like you are elder, you are far from going to school, then you drive to office. This is having lunch. Have lunch or having lunch. You can say both things. If you're still doing it, you can say we are having lunch. Leaving school. This is basically the off time of the school when you go from school. So this is called leaving school. School से चले जाने को बोलते हैं leaving school. Get home. घर आने को बोलते हैं. या बोलते हैं I got home. मैं घर पहुंच गया हूँ. ठीक है? Getting home. घर जा रहा हूँ. Heading to home. Next is, after doing all the things, you are very tired, so you just take a nap. A nap is usually the sleep in between like 15 to 20 minutes or probably half an hour, not more than that. That's called a nap. So this is your evening routine, which is having snacks. And the very next is watching TV. So you usually have snacks when you watch TV. This is the like fresh up for you, a fresh activity for you to keep you fresh and healthy. Or your me time, you can say watching TV and having snacks, a favorite snack of yours. So the next is do your homework. A very important task for you to perform at the end of your day before going to the next day. You have to finish your homework, right? So doing homework. Mopping floor means cleaning. The very important process, cleaning. So mopping floor. This process is called mopping floor. The very next is watering lawn. Watering plants. If you have a garden at your home, if you have a lawn at your home, then you need to water like every evening. You need to water them. The next is doing laundry. This is doing laundry. Means washing clothes. The process of washing your clothes is called laundry. Doing laundry. Next is iron clothes. Of course, if you finished your laundry, you need to iron your clothes for the next day. And the last is having dinner. Having dinner with your family all together, because dinner is a time when everyone is free from their work. So this is having dinner. And the last one is go to bed. Means time to sleep. So this process is called go to bed, or going to bed and have some sleepy time. I hope you like this video. I hope you've learned a lot from this video. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.